It's a little fuzzy, but then again, it was a few years ago. I needed something big, so I played my last bit of luck. Not on a sure thing, like a hand of cards, 'cause let me tell you, I was great at crazy eights. But I needed something that paid out a little bigger, something I could depend on. The state lottery. Powerball. Oh yeah, the millionaire raffle was back. I had two plans, Plan A and Plan B. If I won, I was going to finally cross off a few things on my Plan A list, like buy deodorant, take myself to my favorite restaurant, and move to the Caribbean. Plan B was a little less glorious, but it got the job done. At the very least, I needed to find some deodorant to use. I needed to eat, so I figured I'd grab some dinner at Sam's instead. And I needed something to do, so then I'd rent one of those dollar movies I've heard so much about. I waited anxiously for the numbers. Is it on? Is it there? I have that number. Got it. Come on, 42! And then my hopes were dashed. No, 42 was never called. It took hours the next day to get out of bed, but I finally did. Wiping away the tears, I scratched out Plan A and moved on to B, find deodorant. Use deodorant, done. Next was dinner. I was so hungry. The cheese was good. With my belly half full, it was time to pick out a movie, so I'd headed east to the Dollar Anytime rental store. At least they had the movie I wanted in stock, Dare to Dream, the travel series. I took a new way home, trying to forget my horrible waste of luck, and on the pavement in front of me I saw a friendly-looking something. Genesis. It was a credit union. What was a credit union? It turned out to be just what I'd been looking for weeks. A calendar with a bunch of information I didn't already know. I walked into the Genesis Credit Union building to thank the wonderful people who produced my new calendar, and I walked out a member with all the benefits. Free checking, great interest rates on the loan, and on my favorite part, my You Name It savings account, which I appropriately named Take Me to the Caribbean, baby. Today, I know that I can't depend on the lottery, but I can depend on my Genesis Credit Union. And you know what? I went back to Plan A and crossed out a couple things, like getting to eat at my favorite restaurant. And now, with special thanks to online banking and to my iPhone app, I'm kicking it in the Caribbean. Thank you, Genesis. You are my good luck.